Hello students, today now we are going to discuss question number 6 of exercise 3.1. The question 6 is like this here. The marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in a science test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75. So let us see how many marks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 students have scored the marks. In group there are 10 students. Find the first part, highest and the lowest marks. Highest and the lowest marks obtained by the students. Right? Second part, range of marks obtained. We have to find the range. Third, mean of marks obtained by the group. We have to find the mean of the marks obtained by the group. So now I will solve first part here. So let me see highest marks. So let us see here highest. So you can see now 85, then 90 is the highest now. Here you go here, it comes 95 is the highest. You can see 95 is the highest. Highest marks is 95. So highest marks is 95. You can see the highest marks is 95. Then the lowest marks. The lowest means the smallest number. What is the smallest number? So you can see 39 is the smallest. You can see here 39. So 39 is the smallest number. See, it is asked here highest marks. So you can see here, compare the numbers. 85 is more than 76. But 90 is more than 76, so 90, then it like this, go on comparing, like this you go on comparing, you will get 95 is the highest marks, right? 95 is the highest, lowest marks is 39, so you can see the lowest marks is 39, so this is the lowest and 95 is the highest, right? Now next, range. Range is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. What is the formula of range? Range is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. So highest is what number here? Highest is 95. So I am writing here 95 minus 39. Lowest is 39. So you know 15. Now I subtract here 15 minus 9. What is the answer? 15 minus 9. It comes here 6. And this will become 8. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 3. It is 5. So 56 marks is the range. What is the marks? 56 marks is the range of this here. 56 is the range. What is the range? It is 56. 56 marks is the range. Let me explain once again. Highest observation formula is highest observation minus lowest observation. So is equal to 95 minus 39. From where I got highest, already we have seen in the first part, 95 is the highest and the lowest is 39. So I use that information and the answer I got here, 95 minus 39, the answer is 56 marks. Now, see the third part, mean marks obtained by the group. I have to find the mean. So let us come on third part here, I am writing solution here. Mean is equal to, I wrote the formula, sum of all observations upon number of all observations. Now I am going to write here all the 10 numbers, then upon 10 I will write. So let me take a number here, let me make a line here. So I will be able to write now number here. First number is 85 and 76. I am taking two number 85 plus 76. Next two numbers 90 plus 85. It is 90 plus 85. Then take next two number, it is 39 plus 48, 39 plus 48. Then take next two number, 56 plus 95, it is 56 plus 95. Then take next two number, so I am taking here 81 plus 75, it is 81 and I am writing up here plus 75. So it comes like this. Right here 81 plus 75. You can see here it becomes plus sign, right? It is plus, it is in the same line. Now count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will divide by 10. Be careful, all numbers should come. If my number is this, the answer will come wrong. So let us verify once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'll do a totaling of this. So 5 plus 6, 11. Now 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 5, it is 16. 16 plus 9, it is 25. 16 plus 9, it is 25. And now you can see here 25 plus 8. 25 plus 8, 33. 33 plus 6. 33 plus 6, 39. 39 plus 5. 39 plus 5, it comes here. It comes 44. 44 plus 1, 45 plus 5, it is 50. What is the answer here? Comes here 50. 5 carry. Now 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. So this much is 20 here. And 20 plus 9, 29. 29 plus 8. 29 plus 8, it comes here 37. 37 plus 3, 40. 40 plus 4, 44. 44 plus 5, 49. 49 plus 9, it comes here 58. 58 plus 8. 58 plus 8, it comes here 66. What is the answer? 66. 66 plus 7. 66 plus 7, it comes 73. So 730. 66 plus 7, you can see here. I am going in rough here. 66 plus 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 1 carry. So 73 will come. So 730 upon 10. This totaling should be right. If there is a mistake happen in this totaling, the whole answer will change. So be careful while doing totaling. Now I will do cancellation. 10 ones are 10, and I will write here 73. So you can see the answer 73. What is the marks? 73 marks is the mean. Understood here? 73 marks is the mean of this. You can see easily 73 marks is the mean. Right here. Now this 5 I have borrowed. It is, you can remove afterwards. It is actually of the borrowed. Don't get confused. It is 5 is of when I borrowed. I can, that is there. So you can see once again. Highest marks is 95. Lowest marks is 39. Range is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. 95 minus 39. The answer came here 56. Now sum of mean is equal to sum of all observation upon number of all observation. I wrote all the observation here, all the data here. It is 85 plus 76 plus 90 plus 85 plus 39 plus 48 plus 56 plus 95 plus 81 plus 75. Now you can see the answer came here 730 730 upon 10. Then I cancelled here 10 ones are 10 and 73 times. So 73 marks is the mean. Right here. This question completes here. Yes, now question number 7 of the same exercise 3.1. The enrollment in a school during a 6 consecutive year was as follows. What is the meaning of enrollment? Is number of students taking new admission. So it is given here. First year 6 years they are given. So first year it is given 1555. Second year they gave 1670. Next year 1750. Next year 2013. Next year it is 2540. And the next year it is given 2820. Now what is the question asked here? You can see find the mean enrollment of the school for this period. Period means number of how many years are there? 6 years. For 6 years, you have to find mean. So what I will do here in this question, I will add the adornment of 1 year, 2 year all together and divide by 6. Let me repeat once again. I will add the adornment of first year, second year, third year, like this all 6 years. Then divide by, I will do by 6. So let me write the step. I wrote a formula here. Mean is equal to sum of all observation upon number of all observation. How much numbers are there here? It is how many are there? It is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And sum I will do totaling of this. So let us write here the next step of this one. So I write the number. I take one number now here because number is big here. 1555 plus 1670. It is 1670 plus. I am writing next number here. 1750. It means 1750. 1750. And next number is here plus. You can see 2013. It is 2013. It means 2013. And the plus here, one more number. 1 minute. I should write in the proper space so that all numbers will be able to adjust here. So let me write small number here, plus sign 1670. 1670 plus. Now 1750. 1750. Right here. It is plus here. Down. The next is 2013. 2013. And the plus here 2540. It is 2540. And the plus here 2820. 2820. You can count how many are there. 6 will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just see again once. It is 1555, 1670, 1750, 2013, 2540, 2820. Divided by what here? I divide by 6. Why 6? Because number of entries are how many? 6 are there. Now I will do totaling. We will start from unit place and do it normally. Don't be fast, so mistake may happen. 5 plus 0, 5, and here comes 5. 5 plus 0 again 5, and 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 0 8 only, and again 0 here, so it is 8. So it comes here 8. Now we are starting from the tens place. It is 5. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 5 17. 17 plus 1 18. 18. Now here it is 4. 18 plus 4 22. 22 plus 2. 22 plus 2. It is 24. So 4 comes here and 2 will come here. Right? Now 2 plus 5, it is 7. Now I am moving on the 100 place. So 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 6 13. You can see it is 13 now. 13 plus 7 20. Now 20 plus 0, it is 20 only. 20 plus 5 25. 25 plus 8 33. So it comes here 3 and 2 will come here. Now 2 plus 1, it is 3. 3 plus 1 4. You can see here 4. 4 plus 1 5. See 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 2. It is 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 2 9. And 9 plus 2, it is 11. Let me check once again. It is 2. Now, actually here, instead of 2, 3 will come. So, it is 3. Because in totaling the borrowing we have done, it is coming 3 here. Now, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, and 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, and upon 6. Now it is right. You can see in the borrowing, I kept by mistake here 2, actually it is 3. Now 6 2s are 12. Now it is not possible to divide by, in table of 6 3 is not coming, so I will put 0 here. Then see what comes here. 6 5s are 30. What is remaining? 4. So 4 remaining 48. 6 8s are 48. Right? So the answer is 2058 is the, what is the here we have taken here as a students. That is the mean of this question. Right here 2058 is the mean. Right here, and I think it is clear to you. Let me discuss this question once again. Mean is equal to sum of all observation. Sum of all observation, it will come here. Sum of all observation upon number of all observation. Sum of all observation upon number of all observation. Number of all. And here I have done the 6 observations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can see here. Here 3 will come, and so that way you can see the calculation. And the answer is coming 2058. So 2058. After cancellation, I got the answer 2058 students, and this question completes here. And I will discuss in the next video. I will discuss the new question number 8, and I complete my discussion over here about this video. Thank you everyone.